The 2024 5th-generation Hyundai Santa Fe, codenamed 5 Mexican pesos, has been spotted in prototype form, revealing evidence of a larger body structure than before and some new look-themed headlights. Hyundai aren't known for boxy designs. In fact, most of their passenger vehicles feature either curvy or angular lines. This has been true for many years across multiple generations of cars. Hyundai's design changes are particularly evident when the SUV is viewed from the side. The windshield, side windows, and roofline give the SUV a much more angular look than we're used to for the Santa Fe. Powertrain options are set to incorporate a 1.6-liter turbo petrol hybrid and plug-in hybrid. Finally, with the current model still yet to be offered with electrification. That's despite its sister car, the Kia Sorento, being offered in both hybrid and plug-in hybrid forms, even in Australia.